Banks are collapsing. So what? Does it really affect you? Or are they just trying to scare you? Before yesterday's bailout, the FDIC already was insuring each account up to $250,000. So if you're on Main Street and your individual account is less than that, it doesn't really affect you. Yesterday, the FDIC took over Silicone Valley Bank, insuring their deposits, including the ones over $250,000 that, normally is afforded to us people. Some say it's not a bailout, but whose tax dollars are they doing this from? I find it very interesting that the government has been raising rates for over a year, months at a time, to fight inflation. Their logic is that if us people have less money, inflation will flatten. Sounds to me like they're trying to throw out the baby with the bathwater. We're the baby in this. Interestingly, these techies lose a little bit of their fortune, and within a single weekend the government steps in and mobilizes with our tax dollars to save the day. Keep in mind the tech sector has been saving a fortune over the past couple of months, laying off so many American workers. 2 banks have failed in 2023. Silicone Valley Bank, because they had to sell their bonds at a loss for liquidity issues. This simply means that people deposited their money into the bank no longer had the money. The second bank is Signature Bank. That's heavily crypto focused. And since crypto's taken a hit and become a little bit unstable, they took a hit. Now Silicone Valley Bank, they're trying to tell us is for startups. Now companies like Roku have 26% of their capital in there. That's $487 million. As you can see by the list behind me, we're talking big numbers. Some of them need to get fired. They're trying to make it seem like the sky's falling. It ain't. So far in 2023, 2 banks have failed. So what? Did you die? Since 2009, 513 banks have failed, as you can see from the list behind me. We've been through worse than weathered the storm. Still smiling. What does this mean for mortgage rates? It's good news. This is called the 10-year Treasury to fall. And normally mortgage rates follow the same trajectory as a 10-year Treasury. So we've got better rates. Here's how you can benefit. Rates go down and rates go up. But we can lock in your rate today before you sign the contract. Hell, even before you find a new home. So don't let them scare you, because sometimes clouds have silver lining. And if you got questions, just ask. I'm Mortgage Mo, and I hope I was helpful. Subscribe for more info. Happy house hunting and stay blessed.
Mortgage Mode, the way to go. When you're grown and want a home of your own, you gotta go. Take control and pick up the phone. If you want low rates and your loan to close, just call Mortgage Mode. Oh, oh.